Hey guys, let's see how to make banana pancakes. I have blended 2 bananas, 3/4 cup of jaggery and 1 egg. In a vessel, I have taken 1 cup wheat, 1 cup maida, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of jaggery. Mixing it well. Instead of maida, you can have whole wheat flour. Adding milk and mixing it well. Mix until no lumps found and add our banana, egg, jaggery mixture to it. Adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Mix and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm preparing my iron tawa for making pancake. Once the pan is hot, we can start making our pancakes. Do not spread like a dosa. Keep it fluffy. Cook both the sides. Our fluffy banana pancake is ready to be served hot. Serve this with honey or maple syrup or Hershey's chocolate syrup. Thanks for watching. Do try it home.
Wow!